What are we doing?
What are we doing?
How to change the clock time.
On what?
Do you remember what it is? It's a 2003 Chrysler Sebring.
It's an old man car.
You need yourself one of these.
It's called a paper clip. They clip papers. Not the rolling papers, but like loose leaf and stuff.
It's real complicated.
Very difficult.
I'm going to do this slow.
So everyone can do it, no problem. Nice and easy.
Let's see what time it is first.
You should probably check the actual time.
So it's
Oh man, you're like a little off.
7:48 is the correct time. So we got this hour here. And we just poke it in with this here paper clip in this little hole.
This tiny little hole right there.
And then we got this one. What does the minutes? The H does the hour.
What?
The M, I don't know what it does. Minutes?
I guess that's what it is. I mean, it's possible.
I'm trying to do two things at once here.
Yeah, that's cool. I'm trying to get an action shot of you poking the hole.
It's 49.
Man, that looks oddly sexual, I'm just saying.
49.
Just don't make any weird noises at the end. Oh.
Done.
Oh, it's done.
And that's all there is to it.
Surprise. It's really easy.
We can't play music because we don't have the rights. That's how you set your time on your Chrysler Sebring, whatever year, 2003,
That was the year.
and other ranges.
Old man car.
What sort of time are we at for this video?
Like less than 2 minutes.
Well, how about that?
Well, how about that?